Now, the price of Shiba Inu coin is back down to some fresh lows, sitting at 1,500 points per coin again. We're hopefully going to be using this level as a level of support, but it's not just Shiba Inu coin that's down. I'm looking over here, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 95,500. The overall market pulling back. And if you come out and you look at the meme coin sector, we refresh this, we can see that meme coins right now are sitting at a $66 billion market cap overall. Just a couple of weeks ago, guys, they were about $110 billion, and here we are. Let's see if we can see this. Yeah, 120, look at this, $115 billion last month, and we have lost 50% and 70% of the volume in the last 30 days. It is absolutely insane how fearful the market has gotten and how beaten down these prices are. And we're going to be talking about some of the reasons why and what it might mean moving forward. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, Shiba Inu coin's adoption rate has collapsed to a 2-year low. What is happening? And that is a good question. We're going to be answering that question, but here's one thing that I have learned. Now, I am down on a lot of my meme coins because you can see the overall market is down 43%, but Shiba Inu coin is not the only meme coin that I own, and one of the latest ones that I've been buying into is Bitcoin Bull. Now, Bitcoin Bull has sold $2.2 million over the last week or so, and they're going to be rising in price once again, currently sitting at 0.237 cents in one day in 19 hours, or of course if $2.5 million is raised, the price is going to increase. Now, if you guys are interested in buying as well, you're going to click on buy with crypto, buy with card, and then you're going to choose how you want to connect. I like to use Wallet Connect, scan this QR code with the Trust Wallet on my phone, and then of course click confirm, all of that good stuff, and type in how much I want to buy. As Bitcoin does well, you are going to be rewarded for holding Bitcoin Bull. At $125,000 Bitcoin, they're going to burn tokens. They're going to drop Bitcoin airdrops, burn tokens, Bitcoin airdrops, burn tokens, and then a massive Bitcoin Bull airdrop if and when Bitcoin hits $250,000 per coin. But let's talk about Shiba Inu coin because, guys, this price action right here, 1,500 points per coin. You look at the meme coin market cap. Guys, we're back down to a level of $65 billion market cap. But it was nearly $120 billion. We have lost 50% of the overall value in the meme coin sector just in the last 30 days. And nothing has changed in the last 30 days. That's the part that confuses me the most. I get it. If we would have the president come out and say that cryptocurrencies for kids who don't understand real money. You know, if they said something stupid like that, I could get why the situation would turn fearful. But they're not. They're talking about a golden age for digital assets being created here in the United States. We're talking about revolutionizing the regulation surrounding digital assets and cryptocurrency. We're talking about clarity that's going to allow jobs and prosperity in the crypto space. So this shakeout that is happening is because a lot of very, very emotional retail investors cannot handle the swings in the cryptocurrency space. It is that simple. Guys, a 5% sell-off to people who jump in during a FOMO rally, which is what I believe happened. If you come over here, we refresh the fear and greed index, we can see that we're probably back down today. Yes, back down to a level of 38 fear. You can see that the little bit of a FOMO rally we had on the election speculation, as soon as we get a little bit of a 5% dip, all of the emotional retail investors who bought in at the top panic sell. And when they do, it creates a fearful situation like we're in right now. The emotional retail investor cannot wait for the gains to take place, and therefore they will lose out. We're losing all of those so-called paper hands that jumped in on the election speculation, and we're trying to find a bottom. We're trying to find where Shiba Inu coin and the rest of the market feels comfortable. Now, with that being said, adoption in Shiba Inu coin or new addresses are at a 2-year low. So let's go over these statistics, and I do want to show you what happened the last time we hit these levels and the last time we hit a low. It says recent analysis suggests that Shiba Inu coin's new adoption has regressed with its prices, hitting a multi-year low on Monday. Shiba Inu coin struggles have gone just beyond its price performance. The prominent meme coin's new adoption rate has also dropped below its yearly threshold. The latest regression comes despite recent bullish developments from the ecosystem's collaboration with the United Arab Emirates government. Data from Into the Block shows this lackluster adoption among new addresses in the Shiba ecosystem. On Monday, the metric dropped sharply to a multi-year low of 12.73%. Now, for context, the new adoption rate metric tracks the percentage of transactions on an underlying network initiated by new addresses. The indicator shows the quota of contribution new wallets make to the daily activities on a blockchain. As a result, the recent drop suggests a lack of interest among new users in interacting with the ecosystem. It says, notably, Into the Block's data highlighted that this metric has hovered between 27% and 48% since January, averaging around 33% per year before the sharp decline. Boom. And if you go back, March of 2023 is when it nosedove to 5.20%. So let's just go back real quick on a weekly graph for Shiba Inu coin. We could go out 1 week, and we can go back to March of 2023. Guys, that's this area right in here. March of 2023, we began to decline. And shortly after that, we hit our bottom. Now, I don't know if it's going to play out the same way again, but shortly after that March decline, prices continue to move lower, I will say that, but shortly after, we hit our absolute bottom. 506, it wicked down to 478, but 500, 600 points per coin, and then Shiba Inu coin began its ascent. Prices are the lowest when fear is the highest. You know, the retail investor typically gives up when fear is at its strongest. If we push through, we could be gearing up for the new bottom. Now, I don't think, I could be wrong, but I don't think we get back down to 478 points per coin. We're talking about prices here when Bitcoin was down at $15,000, $20,000. Right? I don't think that Bitcoin's going to fall back down to $15,000, $20,000. As a matter of fact, we're sitting right here at a level of 1,500 points per coin. Still 3 times higher than where we were back here in March of 2023. Do I expect big things? Absolutely. Do I expect to shake out the retail investors? Absolutely. Do I expect the whales and the institutions and those that are willing to buy when there's fear in the market to be prosperous, while everybody else who sells while there's fear in the market to miss out? Absolutely. Which is why I cannot sell when the market is fearful. Guys, time and time again, we have seen it. You buy here during periods of fear, look what happens. Price of Bitcoin, fear to greed index, level 26. Price of Bitcoin goes from $56,000 to $110,000 during times of greed. You buy here when the market is fearful. What do you think is going to happen when it turns greedy once again? We will see gains. I am here for those gains. One of the places that I'm accumulating is the KSEC centralized exchange. These guys got the best selection of meme coins on up to 100x leverage. And right now, futures fees. If you guys are trading on leverage, 0% maker, 0% taker. So make sure to take advantage of it. Let me know what you guys are buying down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.